Oh, baby. If you feel good, if you're feeling good, put one hand in